This video is a continuation of our previous video, which was on the changes to UK immigration laws, rules and procedures brought on by the coronavirus pandemic. In this video we will discuss about the changes implemented by the Home Office for biometrics, travelling to the UK and the Immigration Tribunal hearings process during the Covid-19. Before we continue to the further details, please support us by subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates on the UK immigration law. You may please also share this useful knowledge to your friends and family on other social media platforms.
No one believes more strongly than me in the benefits of migration to our country.
This is a UK-wide system that we are announcing and proposing today, and that is why we will be applying our points-based system.
Biometrics. On the 3rd of September, the Home Office published guidance that Home Office is no longer insisting that applicants provide a fresh set of fingerprints every time they extend leave. They say if previous fingerprints can be reused, applicants can send in a photo along with supporting documents. This will mean you do not have to attend a UKVCAS or an SSC service point appointment to provide biometric information, where applicable. The Home Office has set up a coronavirus helpline as well. There are some precautionary measures have implemented to travel to the UK. Compulsory quarantine. International travellers arriving in England on or after the 8th of June 2020 were told to go into quarantine for 2 weeks. To limit the spread of infection, arrivals must self-isolate for 14 days. The quarantine requirement was dropped for people travelling to England from 59 countries and territories from 10 July, but kept in place for everywhere else. The number of exempt countries has since risen, but places can be taken off the list again suddenly. Expiring entry clearance. Until close to the end of April, the Home Office did not advertise any concessions for people who have secured entry clearance to the UK but can't use it before it expires after 30 days. But on the 28th of April the guidance was changed. It now says, if your 30-day visa to travel to the UK for work, study or to join family has expired, or is about to expire, you can request a replacement visa with revised validity dates free of charge until the end of this year. Note that this does not cover visit visas. To get the free replacement, email the coronavirus helpline mentioned earlier with your name, nationality, date of birth and your GWF reference number and put replacement 30-day visa as the subject line. The replacement visa will be valid for 90 days. Visa centres overseas. All UK visa application centres overseas were closed for some time, but as of mid-August most had now reopened. To check whether the visa application centre for a particular country is open, go to the website of either TLS Contact or VFS Global and select that country from the drop-down menu. If the visa application centre in your country is still closed, you can instead make an appointment in any other country, subject to that country's entry requirements. This concession will be reviewed by the 30th of November. Whether it is extended presumably depends on whether all VACs are back open again. Applications from within the UK. All visa application centres within the UK closed in late March. They are now reopening. The non-outsourced service and support centres have also reopened but are offering a reduced number of appointments. As mentioned earlier, some applicants may no longer need to attend an appointment in person if they have given their fingerprints to the Home Office before. There is more information about that change on the Supersteria website. Immigration Tribunal hearings. A weekly operational update from Courts and Tribunals Service advises on the general state of play with the first-tier and upper tribunals. Bail hearings have continued over video link, but substantive appeals scheduled after mid-March 2020 were cancelled. Case management hearings have been going on over the past few months to work out whether the appeal could be heard remotely, settled in some way, or scheduled for a face-to-face hearing when that became possible again. For appeals that need a face-to-face hearing, the tribunals are now starting to reopen for a limited number of in-person hearings at each location. Those appearing are reportedly being asked to provide the details of who will be coming in advance and declare that nobody has coronavirus. Arrangements in each hearing center. In early July we got in touch with all the hearing centers, who helpfully provided us with an update on their reopening plans as of the first week in July. The idea in most centers was to open a couple of rooms initially and try to ensure that social distancing is maintained in the building and during the hearing itself. Remote hearings. Other appeals will be heard remotely. The senior president of tribunals issued an emergency practice direction on the 19th of March which says, where it is reasonably practicable and in accordance with the overriding objective to hear the case remotely, it should be heard remotely. The user guide was first published on the 11th of June, along with a practice statement on arrangements during the COVID-19 pandemic, which includes instructions on lodging appeals online. Please keep watching our upcoming videos, as we will keep posting on the latest updates and the changes occurring in the UK immigration law, due to COVID-19. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest videos on UK immigration law. You can also help us spread the knowledge by sharing our videos with your friends and family on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Twitter. Please also comment below or email us to discuss your case in more details. Our video ends here today. Thanks for watching.